I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use drawing gum with watercolor. Drawing gum, also known as masking fluid, is a fantastic tool for watercolor artists. It allows you to protect specific areas of your paper from paint, preserving the white of the paper or previously applied light washes. This creates beautiful contrast and crisp edges in your artwork. We will cover the essential steps to effectively incorporate this technique into your watercolor practice, ensuring great results every time. When applying drawing gum, choose the right tool for your desired effect. An old brush, a ruling pen, or a silicone tool works well. Remember to coat your brush with a little soap beforehand to protect the bristles. Always ensure your paper is completely dry before application to prevent tearing. Apply a thin, even layer. Thick applications can be difficult to remove and may damage your paper. Allow the drawing gum to dry fully, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, before you begin painting. Once your drawing gum is completely dry, you can confidently paint over it with your watercolors. The masked areas will remain untouched by the paint, preserving their original color. After your watercolor painting is entirely dry, it is time to remove the drawing gum. This is a crucial step. Patience is key. Gently rub the dried gum with a clean finger or a rubber eraser. It should peel off easily, revealing the crisp, unpainted areas beneath, adding wonderful detail to your artwork. To ensure the best results, always clean your application tools immediately after use. Drawing gum dries quickly and can ruin brushes if not washed promptly with soap and water. It is also a good practice to test your drawing gum on a small piece of scrap paper first. This helps you understand its consistency and drying time. Finally, store your drawing gum in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its fluidity and extend its shelf life for many creative projects to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.